Sometimes you may want to add an image gallery or a slideshow with a series of images to your posts. WordPress has an easy way of creating simple image galleries and slideshows based on the images you've uploaded to your posts. When I say simple, I really mean it. There's not a lot of functionality and you don't have a lot of control. But if you're looking to make an image gallery or slideshow, it doesn't get any easier than this. To create a new image gallery or slideshow, we're going to create a new post. So I'm going to go to Posts and click Add New, and I'll give it the title Simple Image Gallery. And now I can create an image gallery. The way I'm going to do that is by uploading more than one image. So I'll go to my Add Media button, and then I'll go to my folder on my computer and drag in 5 images. As the images get uploaded, I'll click the Show link next to them and go and add in all the information I need. So I'll give these titles Untitled 1 through 5, and I'll match the alternate text and the caption, and I'll turn off the link, and I'll scroll down. By now the next one is open, so I'll call this one Untitled 2. Now that I've made changes to all the images, I need to click Save All Changes before I do anything else. Otherwise, all these text changes won't be saved and I'll be back to the default. So I'll click Save All Changes. And now we have Untitled 5 through Untitled 1 in reverse chronological order because that's how they were uploaded. You notice that a new tab appeared on my options here. Before I just had From Computer, From URL, and Media Library. But because I uploaded more than one image here, I now have Gallery, and it says that I have 5 images. This view is what I'm going to be using to create my image gallery. From here I have 2 options. I can either create an image gallery, or I can create a slideshow. We'll do the gallery first, and you have some options for this. First of all, you can link each of the thumbnails in the gallery either to the image file or to the attachment page. I recommend you always set it to the image file, and you'll see why in a little bit. The second thing you can do is decide how to order the images. You can either order them based on the menu order, which is the order they are displayed here at the top, or you can order them based on title, the date and time the image was taken, or you can order them at random. If you set it to menu order, you can actually go up here and grab the images and reorganize them by dragging and dropping them. And as you do, you see these numbers appear here on the side showing in what order they'll display. So I'll order these based on the actual numbers of the images. So they display from number 1 through number 5. And then I'll set it to order in ascending order. I could choose descending, but that would defeat the purpose of what I just did. And then I can choose how many columns I want in my gallery. I think 3 is fine. So now the last thing to do is simply click the Insert Gallery button, and the gallery is inserted in my post. Now you see, you can't actually see the gallery in WordPress. All you see is this placeholder. So to see the real gallery, you have to save the draft and then preview the post. And in the post, you see the gallery appear automatically. It has the image itself in a thumbnail format. It has the caption for each of the images. And if you click on it, because you set the link to the image, you get this great slideshow where you see the large version of the image with the title, and you can like or even link directly to each of the images. You can slide through them. It's really very cool. If I want to edit the images inside the gallery, or I want to do something else, I can now click on the placeholder, select Edit Gallery, and then I can go in and open each of the images, clicking the Show button, and I can go in and retitle the image, change the caption, or do something else if I want to. But what if I want to replace the gallery with a slideshow? Well, all I have to do then is instead of clicking Update Gallery Settings, I'll click Insert Slideshow. When I do that, the large placeholder is replaced with this simple square bracket, slideshow, end square bracket. And when I save this draft and preview the page, you see, instead of having the image gallery with the 5 images, I now have an active slideshow. In the slideshow, I can either let it play automatically, I can stop it, and then I can navigate it with arrows, and I can start it again. And because both the image gallery and the slideshow are just regular elements inside my content, I can also add text to this. So I can say both above and below. And when I save the draft and preview the page, you see the text appears both above and below. So the slideshow, although it's very advanced, actually just operates like any other element within my page. There is one caveat though. And this is really important. In many cases, you want to add an image to your post. So let's say I want to add an image at the top here. And once that image is uploaded, I'm going to give it a title and an alternate text and a caption. And I'll take the link URL off. I'll place it in the center, have it the medium size, and click Insert into Post. We now have the image inside the post above the text and the slideshow below. But if I save this draft and preview the page again, you'll see that although the image already appears once at the top here, it also appears at the end of my image gallery, right here. Unfortunately, there's no easy way around this because this is just how the image galleries in WordPress works. You see it when we go back and click on Upload Insert again, that my gallery number jumped from 5 to 6. And you can see the image right here on the list along with the other 5 images. There is unfortunately no way of taking that image out or excluding it from the gallery or the slideshow. Actually, that's not entirely true. There is no way of excluding an image that you uploaded to WordPress from the gallery. However, if you use an image from a different source, in other words, an image that lives either outside of the gallery or on a different website, then that image does not get included in the gallery. And that's kind of a way around this problem. But if you upload an image to this post, it automatically gets included in the gallery. Adding a simple image gallery or slideshow based on the images in your post is easy. Just remember that all the images associated with the post are displayed and that this function only displays images uploaded to your WordPress.com site.